What's up, Ding Ding 123 gang? I'm back. Let's go. I feel fresh. Got the fresh cut. But today, well, today's a Saturday. And Saturday is a fun day. Saturday fun day. It rhymes perfectly. Right now we are leaving for my brother Tate's basketball game. We're gonna do some basketball dribbling there, and it's gonna be pretty lit, fam. Let's go. Let's go.
Jay, you're so wrong.
Come on. Stupid machine is broken. A sec, Jay.
Look at the hot stuff. Please.
A resolution.
Don't fail us, hot Cheetos.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What's the number? C3 or C4? C1?
C1.
Okay, they both look sketchy. We're gonna go with C3. Jay, you said C1?
Yeah.
C1. C. You know what? Give me my money back.
Did they give you money back?
Yeah. Broken machine.
Didn't
This
just
place
try
is
to...
jipping me. Put the money in. Click C1. Use exact change. I'm literally going to blow up this vending machine. It didn't work.
What?
Didn't work.
No!
This stupid machine will not give me my hot Cheetos. So we're going to use this machine and we're going to get some twisty Fritos. Let's do it. 1. Ah! 2. Ah! 3. 4. 5. Okay, what number is it? B3. You ready for this?
B3.
B3.
It works!
I did it! Fritos! Trick shot. Ah! Ah.
Stop this.
I got it! I hate vending machines. Yummy. Let's go, Jay! This is the little game called Takeaway. Come on, Jay. Oh, across the road. Ah! We need to stay. Come on, Jay. Okay, Jay. Do you know what breaking ankles means? Jay doesn't know what the term breaking ankles means. So let's show him. And that is my show, Breaking Ankles. I'll see you next time. Hey everyone, I'm Dane Adams. If you don't know who I am and you don't know what my YouTube channel is, it's Dane 123 Gang. It's the most lit YouTube channel family, whatever you want to call it, on YouTube. And you should join it. All you have to do is punch the subscribe button. Punch it right in the face. Just beat the crap out of the subscribe button until your phone is broken. Or you can just click it. Do whatever you want, but subscribe. It's lit. It's
lit.
It's lit, fam. Let's go! Let's go, gold team. Broken ankles. If you just saw that picture, once again, I hate vending machines. Okay, I went to go get some Airhead Bites. Right there. So, Airhead Bites is D10. I click D. Then I click 1, and I look, and there's no 0. Who'd have thought there was a button that had the number 10 on it? All I wanted was some Airheads, and I got M&M's. On a calculator, is there the number 10 button? No. On a vending machine, apparently there's no 0, and then they screwed me and won't give me my money back. I know I'm loud, but I'm a vlogger. I have to be loud. My whole day just ruined because I didn't get my Airhead Bites. Jay, I have to do a trick shot in memory of the Airhead Bites. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take these M&Ms and I'm gonna throw them in that trash can. Ready?
Yep.
Come over here. Just so you know, Matthew Welsh, I need you back. Jay?
Yeah.
You're fired, and you were never hired. I need my cameraman, Matt Welsh, back. Please, come to Vegas and film for me. Okay, I'm gonna take this, ready? Watch this.
Okay.
This is the M&M. I'm setting out Airhead Bite thingies in the trash can.
Oh!
You know what? I just made a big mistake. I'm going in. Got him! Think I'm gross? Think again. Well, that is the vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already a member of the Dan 123 gang, then hit the subscribe button. Do me one more favor. Go to my channel, go to subscriptions, and subscribe to my cameraman, Matt Welsh, and subscribe to him. That will be a huge honor. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.